Oh, this is Greg Allison Green Rig coming to you from the 23rd of July 22. Time on deck about 6:30, 100 hours in the morning. It's just a few minutes after sunrise. You know what I always like about my neighborhood is every rooftop of every house is always a mockingbird singing in the morning. And my woods behind my house are just alive with a symphony of birds. Always right there, mockingbird, right there on the perch of the house. Every neighbor's house, mockingbird. All the mockingbirds? I don't know. And redbirds everywhere, cardinals everywhere. And early in the morning, the woods behind my house alive with a symphony of birds. Just a huge musical chorus. It's always such a nice thing to wake up to it. Year after year, no matter where I lived here in this area, that's what I'd wake up to. Especially if you were near a lot of trees. Suburban community. Lots and lots of birds. And your silence is almost deafening. What's happened? You know, I saw a mockingbird this year about 4 miles from here. One. I've only seen one mockingbird about 4 miles from here last week before I got sick. And if you listen, there might be a bird or two. I mean, there's still some little finches and sparrows around here. I've not seen a cardinal. I've not seen... How many of my videos did you hear cardinals in the background in singing? Any time of the day, all day long. I hear a little chirpy bird. There's a little bit. But the woods are not alive with music. I hear no. Just a little chirpy bird out there. I think I did hear a cardinal earlier, but I have not seen one. It was off at some distance. Haven't seen a blue jay. Haven't seen... There's a lot of birds I'm not seeing at all or hearing at all. Guys, what is happening? This is a bird apocalypse. These woods should be full with bird sounds. It should be absolutely musical out here. Yeah, there are birds, but it's not anything like it was. Yeah, excuse me, guys. I actually have COVID-19. All right. I'm sad. I'm just really sad about the birds. I don't know what's happened. I know I did a video back about 3 years ago about the insect apocalypse. Well, you know, there's not as many insects as there used to be. There's a few, but it ain't nothing like it used to be. Nothing like it used to be, just a few years ago. There's katydids, you know, but there's just all the little flying insects that you used to see. They're not here anymore. There's a few. I mean, you get occasional bugs splatter your windshield, but you know, I used to have to wash my windshield off twice a week. And if I wasn't driving much, I don't hardly ever do that anymore. Very rare. Very rare. But guys, something's happened. Something's happened to the birds. That's a lot scarier than the insects, but you know, it's going to come up the food chain. So if birds don't have as much to eat, yeah, there's yeah, you're going to find crows, you're going to find vultures. I mean, you're going to find, because they got something to eat, you're going to find doves, because doves eat grain mainly. There's still a few doves around. But I'm just not finding the songbirds, the wood thrushes, all the different things that was out here making music are gone. Just listen. One little tweet. Where's the music? The music has died. To kill a mockingbird. The mockingbird is dead. Jim. He's dead, Jim. What happened? What happened? The woods are so beautiful. I'd love to have more birds. I hear one little bird singing a little bit. There we go. I hear one little bird singing. But it's off somewhere distance. Somewhere out here. I mean, right here. It'd be right here. Right here. Right here. Loud music. We just don't have the birds we had. No mockingbirds. Guys, this is some kind of a tragedy. It's the canary in the coal mine. He's dead. And we're in a coal mine. What's causing this? Is it our pesticides? Herbicides? What's happening? I don't know. It ain't good. It's not good at all. So we need to think about that. And we need to have a second look at how we're living in this world. If we're going to have a world to continue to live in. I hear one little bird singing now. That's good. A one bird orchestra. It's not quite an orchestra. Anyway. Greg out.